I hope you're sitting down right now because we are about to have a real, unfiltered conversation about your bank account. If you're watching this video in 2026, you've probably realized that the old way of making money on YouTube, just posting videos and praying for an Adsense check each month, is becoming a bit of a broke man's game. The algorithm is getting pickier, the payouts are shrinking, and honestly, who has the time to be a full-time content slave just to earn a few $100s? I have been there, so I can relate. Today, I'm here to spill the tea on the biggest open secret of 2026, and that's ghost commerce. Now, don't let the name spook you. It's not about ghost or anything scary. It's called ghost because you are the invisible force behind the scenes. You are making the money, but you aren't the face. You aren't the customer support, and you definitely aren't the one packing boxes in a hot garage or paying shipping costs. This is the trick to raking in huge bucks while everybody else is still fighting over pennies in the YouTube partner program. Let's be honest with each other. AdSense is a bonus, not a business model. If your entire income depends on a platform that can shadow ban you or change its rules overnight, you do not own a business. You own a very stressful hobby. I've seen so many creators over 40 burn out because they're trying to keep up with 20-year-olds dancing on camera. The secret to 2026 is moving your income outside the algorithm. Ghost commerce allows you to build a digital asset that works for you 24/7. While you're sleeping, traveling, or spending time with your grandkids, your ghost, or your family, I should say, your ghost is out there selling for you. It's the ultimate evolution of affiliate marketing and drop shipping, but with a much smarter automated twist, that we call faceless digital commerce. So what is actually this trick? Well, it's about digital bridges, and I'm going to explain. In 2026, the world is flooded with information, but people are starving for solutions. The ghost commerce trick is finding a specific painful problem and build a bridge to the answer or solution. For example, instead of making a general video about travel, you find people who are panicked about the new 2026 ETIAS visa rules. You create a simple faceless guide or an automated email series that solves that one specific problem. You don't even have to write the guide yourself. You can use white label products or high ticket affiliate offers. You are the ghost who connected the person in pain to the solution they needed. Do you get the drift? They get a massive commission and the customer gets their problem solved. And the big companies handle all the technology and the shipping. That is how you rake in the bucks without ever having to record a single frame of your face. One of the best parts about this trick is the privacy part. I know so many of you are professionals, or maybe you just value your off-grid time. You don't want your face plastered all over the internet. In 2026, faceless brands are actually outperforming influencers in many niches. Why? Well, it's because people trust expertise more than they trust personalities in some cases. If you build a faceless niche hub, for example, maybe it's about senior health or automated investing, you can use AI-driven content and high-quality graphics to provide incredible value. You aren't just the influencer, but you become the global authority in your niche or the passive income architect. This makes your business much more valuable to the customer. If you want to retire and sell your business in 5 years later, it's much easier to sell a ghost brand than a brand that relies on your face being in every video. Now, I have to look out for you as a friend. And that's why you're here and why I'm here for you. Because the ghost commerce is the buzzword of 2026. You're going to hear that word a lot. You're going to see a lot of scammers, though, come out. They're going to show you a secret bot that you can buy for $997 that would automatically rake in $10,000 a week. Do not fall for it. Honey, please don't. If it were that easy, they wouldn't be selling the bot to you. They'd be using it themselves. The real trick isn't a magical bot. It's audience ownership. My warning is this: never build your ghost commerce business on rented digital real estate. If you're just posting links on TikTok, you're at their mercy. The real pros in 2026 are using those platforms to drive people to an email list or a private community like Discord. That list is your golden goose. If YouTube disappears tomorrow, you still have your list and you still rake in the bucks with a single click of the send button. In my ebook, 40 plus epic ways to monetize online outside of YouTube AdSense, I go deep into picking your niche. You don't want a popular niche, you want a high value niche. In 2026, the biggest money is micro solutions. Remember that word. Think about it though. Would you rather try to sell a generic how to make money course to millions of people who have no money? Or a 2026 small business tax loophole guide to 500 business owners who are desperate to save $10,000? You see the difference? That's the ghost commerce secret. You go narrow and you go deep and you provide a solution that is so valuable people would feel silly not paying for it. That is how you move from AdSense crumbs to legacy wealth. You might be thinking now, Cheryl, I have a life. I can't spend 40 hours a week on this. You don't have to. The beauty of the 2026 landscape is automation. You can spend 1 hour a week setting up your ghost systems, your automated emails, your digital storefront, your AI assisted content, and then you let the machine run while you sleep. It's passive income. I spend most of my time looking for information gaps, things that people are searching for that no one is answering or providing a solution as well as I think they should. Once I find that gap, I build a ghost bridge to fill it. It takes a little bit of setup, but once it's live, it's truly passive. That is the freedom I want for you. No more upload or die cycles, just a clean, automated system that puts money in your pocket while you're out living your life. I've put the entire roadmap, including the exact platforms and the no-face strategies, into my ebook, 40 plus epic ways to monetize online outside of YouTube partner program. I'm spilling all the tea in this book on which platforms are actually paying in 2026 and which ones are total waste of time. If you're ready to stop being a content slave on social media, including YouTube, and start being a ghost owner, grab the ebook from the link in the description. It's the best investment you will ever make this year to protect your financial future. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell, because in my next video that's coming up, I'm going to show you the 3-minute website trick that is making traditional web designers obsolete. I believe in you, and I'll see you in the next video. And remember to take steps now. We are already in 2026. We are going to make this year memorable, and financially worth our time. We're not going to be sitting on YouTube waiting for AdSense to pay us. No, we're going to provide value to our audience, and we are going to go get what belongs to us and take our power back. We're going to call the shots. Are you with me? Let's do this. Happy New Year, and thanks for watching.